This is Suzanne Doshi on this side. I am a PT Master Trainer. If you wish to appear for PT, which is an English proficiency test just like IELTS, then this video is for you. Here in this video, I'll give you an overview about what is PT and its exam format. So let's get started. Firstly, full form of PT is Pearson Test of English, which was established back in 2009 by Australian company Pearson. In PT, you have 4 modules: speaking, writing, listening and reading. PT is completely computer based exam with zero human interference. In this exam, you need to score out of 90 points in each module. Duration of the PT exam is for 3 hours, which is 180 minutes, and PT has integrated system of marking scheme. Like in a variety, if you are also listening to an audio and you are writing about it, you get marks for both of the sections, for listening as well as for writing, because marks are based on your number of skills used. Here in PT, the entire exam is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is speaking and writing, which is about 77 to 93 minutes depending upon the number of questions you have. Second part is reading, which is about 32 to 41 minutes, again depending upon the number of questions you have. And part 3 would be listening part, which is approximately 45 to 57 minutes depending upon the number of questions you have. So starting with speaking, which consists of 5 sections, and it is the most important part for the entire exam. If you want to achieve good score in your exam, then you need to score good in the speaking part because it has the highest weightage. So talking about sections, it has 5 sections starting with read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture and answer short questions. In the entire speaking section, more emphasis has been laid on clarity of speech and fluency. So if you want to score good in speaking part, you need to work on improving your fluency and also your pronunciations. Repetition of speech plus no clarity in your speech will cause lower score in your speaking part. So improve your fluency as well as your pronunciations for scoring good in the speaking section. So next is reading part, which consists of 5 sections. Here in this part, you have a general timer of approximately 32 to 41 minutes. In this section, you need to manage time on your own. That is, next question won't appear on your screen unless and until you don't click on the next button. And therefore, I would recommend not to spend more than 2 minutes for each questions in the reading part. So talking about sections, you have MCQs, which are of 2 types: single answer MCQs and multiple answer MCQs. And then you have fill in the blanks, which are of 2 types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 are also called as drag and drop variety, and type 2 is also called drop down section. And then you have reorder paragraphs, in which sentences are given to you and you have to arrange them in chronological order. And the last part is listening, which consists of 8 sections. Here in this part, you have a general timer except for the first variety, which is summarize spoken text. In this section, you have all the audios which will be in 3 accents, which are British, Australian and American accents. Firstly, talking about sections, it starts with summarize spoken text, which would be approximately for 10 minutes. Here in this part, you have individual timer for 10 minutes. You need to listen to an audio and write a paragraph about it in 10 minutes. Then you have MCQs of 2 types, single answer MCQs and multiple answer MCQs. After that, you have fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, highlight incorrect words, select missing words, and the last most important variety of listening, which is write from dictation. In the entire listening section, you have a general timer except for this summarize spoken text, as I earlier told you, but you need to manage time on your own. So again, I would recommend to spend not more than 2 minutes for any of the questions in the listening section. So guys, this was a brief overview about what is PT and its exam format. PT is accepted in more than 6,000 plus more universities and colleges across the globe. And being completely computer based exam, it is easier in comparison to IELTS. If you want more videos on PT, stay tuned. Thank you.